Let's get ready to
No,
rumble.
no, no, not that type of Rumble. We want to talk about Rumble, the company, the public company. And this past week, they announced their quarterly earnings in which investors on Wall Street were pleased. This is the daily chart, and you can see they had earnings on August 12th. This was after the bell. And we had a gap higher on Tuesday morning, only to see price come down, pick up any unfilled buy orders, and see price then move higher throughout the week. Now, a couple things to note. We have a rally base rally. And so for me, that signifies daily buyers. And we'll call that daily buyers at $5.50. All right, now, before we continue with the analysis, we are going to actually look at the results from this past earnings. So Rumble's second quarter numbers were published after market hours Monday, and they revealed that the company earned $22.5 million in revenue. This was a robust 27% higher on a year-over-year basis and comfortably topped the average analyst estimates of $19.7 million. In terms of operational metrics, monthly average users, also known as MAUs, considered to be a critical metric for social media companies, also saw improvement. This tally was 53 million for the quarter, up from 50 million in the previous quarter. The company didn't hesitate to mention that this was the 10th consecutive quarter with a count above 40 million. Now, what did they say about forward guidance? According to the earnings release, they stated if our sponsorships agreements with advertisers continue to perform as expected, and political advertising ramps up as the election cycle intensifies, they expect their revenues to continue to increase sequentially throughout 2024. Now, the only forecasted offer for profitability is that it aims to move marginally towards break even, materially towards break even for non-GAAP earnings, EBITDA, essentially in 2025. Okay, so going into the elections in a couple of months, and Rumble being a uncensored platform, social media platform, I do think price can move higher. Let's just draw that trend line. So you could have went two ways. You could have got in early August. You could wait for a trend line break and close, and then a retest as we got here. Now price is moving higher. Let's go to the weekly chart. Now the level to back up the truck was down at $3.50. You had basing for a couple of months towards the end of 2023, and then price collapsed, only to see the buyers get in extremely hard from this drop base gap higher, and then price just kept rising to roughly that $8 level. One can say you have the makings of a huge bear flag. Bull flag, excuse me. And this will be the flagpole itself. So you got a couple things going on. You have a break of the trend line, a close above, retest. Prices are moving higher. Also on the weekly chart, you had a rally base rally, gap higher. Could also say that was monthly buyers, weekly buyers. Nested within this weekly buy level, you have daily buyers at $5.50. Again, you have support, you have a breakdown, you have wicks. This will be the target, $8. How does that look like on the 4-hour chart? Yeah, you have a bottom. Right, you have a bottom. Let's see price break the bull flag channel. First target, these wicks at $7.20. You get past that, look for $8 for your next target. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.